Hello everybody and welcome to this video, which is part of a series introducing the new MathCityMap web portal. In this video I want to show you how to work with the filter. The filter is a new feature which can be very handy. You can use the filter to filter tasks or traits. Right now you can see we are in the city of Frankfurt. As Frankfurt is the origin of the MathCityMap project, there are many tasks throughout Frankfurt. If you want to look for specific tasks, you might want to use the filter, which you can find here in this toolbar. Let's click on it. There are two options right now available: filtering for grade level or the time in which the task was created. In the future, there are more filter options to come. Right now, we have grade level and period of time. Let's click on period of time. We can either filter for tasks that were created last week, last month, last year, or we can enter a specific period of time. Let's click on last year. Apply. Alright, you see now the map was filtered. So not only is our list on the left filtered, but also the map. And now we only have tasks that were created in the last year. Let's remove the filters again. I could also filter for grade level, but before I will do that, I want to show you something else. For this, I will switch to trails. Let's go to trails. Alright. This trail here on the left is one I only created recently. It's empty right now, it does not contain any tasks. Let's open it. Okay, now I want to add tasks, so I click here, Add Tasks. You see, where the trail is located, there are many tasks nearby that can be added. But I only want tasks for grade 8, because this trail should be used by students in grade 8. So I click on the filter, I click on grade level, scroll down and I choose grade 8 and I click apply. And you can see now, hovering over all these tasks, only trails that are for grade 8, tasks that are for grade 8 are left. The same here in the list. So now I can add those by clicking on them, and I can thus easily click together a trail which is meant for grade 8. Yes, and that's it already for now about the filter option. If you want more information about the MCM web portal, make sure to watch our other videos as well. Goodbye!